Substance and drug abuse among university students has become a major global concern. The ensuing adverse effects on their physical and mental health, in addition to sexual misdemeanors, cannot be overemphasized. I had a conversation with a section of students from the University of Nairobi on the same.
I myself was in a position that I needed counseling, but I couldn't access it in school. There was so much going on, so I couldn't access it by then.
Lucy Nyoro is part of the team that came up with a mobile application that allows students to raise alarm in case they're in distress.
Volunteered to create content for mental health, questions about mental health, information, because we all know you can Google, but it doesn't always give you the right answers. So we did a lot of research when we were creating the content about suicide, depression, eating disorders, things that people don't know they may be suffering from. Yes, even eating disorders, especially with social media and the perfect image, it's not something that is very common. Like, we don't think it's common, but you talk to people and realize that they're actually going through it without knowing it.
The application, according to Simon Derito, the founder and a bachelor's student in biotechnology at the University of Nairobi, has several portals that can link students to professionals.
There is a counselor on drugs and substance, on drugs. There's a counselor who is a psychologist, who is there are general counselors. There are counselors whose expertise are on mental health. So you choose a counselor basing on what you want to get counseled on.
A better understanding of depression and its correlation is essential in planning for appropriate interventions in this population group. According to Nairobi University's Professor Walter Jaoko, director of Kavi Institute of Clinical Research, such innovation will go a long way into curbing rampant cases of mental health among other rising issues in universities.
A lot of people get involved in things that cause them stress and mental issues just because they don't know. So for example, you are lured into taking drugs and abusing alcohol just because you don't know, you have no alternative. Or you get involved in sexual relationships that predisposes you to sexually transmitted diseases and to HIV just because you don't know. Or you get pregnant because you don't know.
In today's competitive environment, it has become of utmost importance for universities to develop new partnerships with leading companies and foundations to achieve their intended goal. United Nations Educational, Scientific and Cultural Organization, UNESCO, has played a key role in aiding such programs.
People are so much into technology, and that's what we were tapping on, we are leveraging on, that putting the information on their health and well-being right in their hands, where they can access it through their phones.
Although depression is a common health problem and has been shown to have detrimental effects on students, studies in Kenya have addressed the mental health problems in local universities. It is estimated that mental, neurological and substance use disorders account for 13% of the total global burden of disease. UNESCO, in partnership with the University of Nairobi and Mount Kenya University, are in the process of organizing an official launch of O3+ project in a high-level event on the 30th of this month, aimed at promoting health and well-being among students in institutions of higher learning in Kenya.
And the aim of the project is basically to ensure that young people have access to their information, they're able to know where they can get services, they're able to even further positive health outcomes for these young people.
Linda Koskei, K24, Nairobi.